The MechLift forklift model, ML1612R, is a unique machine, the only forklift with a lifting capacity of 16 to 18 tons that can easily drive into a standard container and moves quickly in confined spaces such as warehouses and marine vessels. MechLift's various attachments expand the possibilities of using a single machine for different purposes. It can stack 20-foot containers in 3 tiers. The hydraulically raised cab provides excellent visibility for the operator, even when handling large loads. With this forklift, you have more space and better visibility, which has a positive effect on the safety of the load itself. The problem of waste has a global scale and requires new approaches to its solution. One of them may well be the reuse of waste in various spheres, including road construction. Plastic roads are created from recycled materials, household waste, disposable dishes, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. It is also a great solution in favor of reducing the use of asphalt, which saves natural resources. Another plus is that greenhouse gas emissions are 30 tons less when making roads from plastic, because 10% of bitumen is replaced with recycled plastic. All in all, profitable and very practical. CleanTech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weed action. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. The powerful and stable RT-125 heavy-duty trencher from Popular Ditch Witch is a true all-terrain machine that clearly deserves your attention. Its solid undercarriage, superior quad-track system, and 3-speed transmission with shiftable gears allows you to tackle any job site challenge. A comfortable operator's workstation with ergonomic swivel seat and control panel with increased legroom allows for increased productivity. With the RT-125, there's no stopping you. Powerful heavy-duty robots in the world. This industrial giant specializes in handling and manipulating super heavy loads with a maximum lifting capacity of up to 330,000 pounds. With its help, complex tasks in metallurgy and heavy engineering become simpler, thanks to high-precision positioning and a powerful hydraulic system. It doesn't just do the job, it redefines possibilities in heavy-duty robotics. Leveling the sandy zone on beaches is not an easy job. It is for this purpose that special technological machines have been created. How do they work? You have the opportunity to see a part of this process with your own eyes. Well, and modern technology can offer something a little more. What am I telling you? See for yourself. Meet the Biedenbach Boss Beast, an unrivaled Mercedes Actros 8x4 equipped with an Effort 2055 8S plus 6S HD cargo crane. This powerful vehicle combines strength and technological mastery, setting new standards in lifting operations. Thanks to advanced safety and control features, the Boss Beast is perfect for performing the most challenging tasks on a construction site. Think removing steel beads from solid tires must be difficult? With the Eagle International OTRD beater, you'll reconsider. This mighty machine quickly and effectively removes steel beads from tires, making the disposal process easier than ever. Imagine this. Huge tires that seem invincible succumb to this machine in minutes. Want to cut down on disposal time and effort? It's time to put the Eagle International OTRD beater to work and see how easy it can be to handle the tough tasks. You see a special attachment from Iron Baltic with a ball hitch, hand winch, roller, log rack with hanging chains, and flotation tires for ATVs. The machines are designed to haul large logs behind an ATV or RTV. The log dump truck can be used with or without a dolly. The front of the log is lifted up, and then the log is pulled behind, leaving one end on the ground. To reduce environmental impact and for long-distance towing, the cart can be used to suspend the rear of the log to act as a trailer. Ideal for thinning plantations and removing cleared trees whole. Dump trucks with loading and unloading platforms are the perfect solution for companies involved in the transportation of various bulk and liquid cargoes, such as flour, feed, potatoes, and other root crops. Thanks to a specially adapted platform, these dump trucks can quickly and efficiently load and unload large volumes of materials, minimizing manual labor and speeding up the cargo handling process. This approach not only reduces logistics time, but also significantly decreases the likelihood of product damage during transportation. Introducing the K67H from CFIA, your new high-rise friend in the world of concrete. This concrete pump can deliver your concrete to a height of 220 feet without unnecessary words and complexities. Probably the most reliable guy in any construction crew. Looking for a way to lay concrete on high floors? Forget old methods. The K67H does it in no time, providing up to 210 cubic yards per hour. Your construction neighbors will be green with envy as your project rises faster than their astonishment. Efficient, but also significantly simplified, making this trencher an indispensable aid for all construction and utility jobs. Have you ever wondered how huge ships end up on land? The Marine Travel Lift A20C at De Haas Shipyard BV in Rotterdam, Netherlands makes it easy. With its 820-ton lifting capacity and 49-foot lift height, this monster can lift the largest ships like children's toys. What about its 82-foot length and powerful engine that make this hoist a true master of maneuvers? The hydraulic control system ensures precise and smooth movements to avoid even the slightest damage. Pocket Bucket is a remote-controlled tracked mini-loader equipped with a bucket for working in hazardous areas, in mining sites for example. The bucket's lightweight and retractable design allows the machine to be easily transported in a van or on a trailer. The Pocket Bucket embodies a specialized machine with a running gear that is made of high-strength materials with an anti-corrosion coating. The Smart Battery System, SPS, is an integrated sealed compartment that houses the charger for the remote control. The spare battery is charged automatically while the machine is running. Simple and intuitive operation with a single joystick ensures that you always have one hand free to control other machine movements. Take a peek behind the scenes of the cement industry, where clay is not only just dirt, but the golden key to building the future. In this video, you will see how technological giants among machines dig deep into the ground, extracting clay like great sculptors molding worlds. These machines are true artists, and the clay mines are their ateliers, where each piece of clay is meticulously extracted and sent into the service of humanity, becoming part of cities, homes, and history. When quick and precise distribution of stones and gravel is required, the CAS AT7 Rock Slinger is just what you need. This machine, with a throwing range of up to 130 feet, handles the toughest task. The Taurus Praetorian is the world's first heavy-duty 4x4 four-wheel drive heavy-duty bus. The Taurus is designed to transport personnel and equipment in harsh environments and locations where public roads are not available. Due to the use of the bus in harsh weather and road conditions, proven quality parts and components are used in production, from Michelin tires and Line-X ballistic coating to MAN engines and chassis. An amazing sight in the port of Rotterdam. The arrival of the largest semi-submersible crane vessel in the world, Sleipner. This engineering marvel impresses with its size and capabilities. Sleipner can lift loads up to 20,000 tons, making it indispensable for the most complex and large-scale projects in the marine industry. Watch as this giant vessel, 721 feet long and 344 feet wide, smoothly enters the port, ready for new feats and records. Beton block concrete blocks are very versatile and have many applications. They are ideal for partition walls, retaining walls, and trench silos, for example in the waste management industry or in agriculture, but are also great for the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are also widely used for safety reasons, such as road closures or flood protection. Beton block offers specialty concrete block molds, retaining wall molds, concrete slab molds, barrier molds, and tetrapod molds. And with dividers, sold separately, you only need one concrete block mold to produce different types of blocks. All molds are made of high-quality S355 structural steel and powder-coated for durability. Owning a set of jacks gives you many advantages. One of the most important is that you can better plan your work, since you no longer rely on outside contractors. High crane rental rates are no longer an issue. Use the jacks to lift containers up to 70,500 pounds wherever and whenever you want. This product is designed and tested for heavy loads. It easily lifts both empty containers and heavy containers filled to the top. Container jacks are ready to ship worldwide. This is a front loader with an APS 2500 engine with a rated power of 55 kilowatts and a rated speed of 2400 RPM. The machine has a hydraulic torque converter, water-cooled mode. On the plus side, it has a braking system with hydraulic sliding brakes on all four wheels. It comes with a pallet fork, log grapple, crocodile bucket, snowblower, sweeper, concrete mixer, and straw grapple. So, as you can see for yourself, this is really a very versatile piece of equipment that you're sure to find a use for in any line of work. Imagine how quickly and easily you can get the job done with the AMI Attachment Side Dump Bucket. This side dump bucket is a godsend for any construction worker. Its 53 cubic foot capacity and ability to hold up to 2 tons allows it to handle large volumes of materials. And what about its ability to rotate 90 degrees? That means you'll be able to unload exactly where you need it. Even in the hardest to reach places, high quality steel and powerful hydraulics guarantee durability and reliability. After heavy snowfalls, airports remain literally paralyzed for some time until the runways are cleared of snow. The Norwegian Overåsen TV1000, and the world's largest auger snowplow, was created for this very purpose. This technique allows coping with the tasks of clearing the territory as quickly as possible, throwing 12,000 tons of snow per hour at a distance of 35 to 50 yards beyond the runways. You will be impressed by the off-road capability of the scissor elevators of the Pulseo generation. The axle transmission and all-wheel drive give them excellent off-road capability and exceptional off-road performance. The HS15E and HS18E scissor elevators can handle gradients of up to 45% and have high ground clearance. Therefore, they can work on steep slopes and are suitable for all situations. These machines are capable of traveling on any terrain, even on very rough terrain, and they have a high grip on the ground. The oscillating axle adjusts the position of the front wheels to uneven terrain and ensures continuous contact between the wheels and the ground. Airless honeycomb tires are highly durable, have good ground grip, and absorb shock. The Pilkmaster Evo wood chipper can be modified with additional equipment to the exact machine you need. The Pilkmaster Evo 36HC Lite is designed for efficient and easy operation. This makes it an excellent machine for collective use, for example. The body of the machine is designed to adjust to the size the user requires, ensuring ergonomics. The quiet chainsaw with an automatic lubrication system cuts wood efficiently. Thanks to the open box device, debris and waste wood is poured out of the mechanism. The option of hydraulic height adjustment of the splitting blade, which comes standard, ensures efficient and pleasant operation. The splitting power and speed of the Pilkmaster Evo 36 wood splitter are automatically adjusted according to the size and strength of the timber. Bucket Mouth TSG 1000 Stump Grinder is up to any task. The company has been involved in site preparation and land conservation for over a decade, and its machinery has been involved in some of the largest land conversions in the world. The new tracked machine is ideal for plantations affected by forest fires or drought. With it, you can mulch standing trees, leaving behind a finish that can be planted immediately. The Bucket Mouth LSG 900 Stump Grinder, rugged, reliable, and efficient. The system returns all nutrients back to the soil when land is converted, removing all stumps ready for planting. This TMC Cancella mulcher with hydraulic push frame and turbo clutch kit is a powerful machine specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stumps left after tree felling. But when combined with a Volvo excavator, for example, the machine is capable of working at quite a high altitude and can be used to mulch the tallest trees. The mulcher's build quality is very high, as high-quality steel and additional connecting elements were used for its production. Tiger Stone is a 236-inch wide paving machine that can be used to perfectly repair a street or road in one go. Tiger Stone also provides edge finishing immediately. In the end, the stones are immediately and tightly fixed between the curbs. The street or road can be finished in one go, and there will be no debris on the road. With the Tiger Stone machine, builders can pave at least 200 square meters of road per day, compared to one conventional paver that can pave 75 to 100 meters per day. Gore Concrete has created their perfect Bay Links foundation stone spreader, which is essential for handling large volumes of material daily. Such a large yet powerful machine definitely adds value to any business by delivering materials that save customers time and the cost of additional equipment and personnel. Plus, their innovative Bay Links product is backed by parts and service support. Look for this technological monster in action. The Hamar Sideloader A Advanced Chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2- and 3-axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. SlatTrack's temporary roads require fewer crew members and less effort than comparable plastic ground protection mats or plywood sheets. SlatTrack's temporary roads can be used on grass, turf, sand, and hard landscaping. For any surface you can use ground protection mats or plywood, or the new alternative, SlatTracks. Among the major pluses is the real possibility of deploying or reclaiming 100 feet of roadway in minutes. Plus, with a machine like this, the number of crew members per job can be significantly reduced. Think you've seen everything agricultural machines can offer? Then meet the Trajan Optimal M1650 Storm, your new strategic partner in battling unwanted vegetation along forest edges and roadsides. With its unique ability to cut vegetation at any angle, this equipment provides exceptional flexibility in managing plant cover. High vertical clearance allows easy maneuvering. High vertical clearance allows easy maneuvering among various obstacles, with a fully hydraulic system ensuring reliable and precise operation. Forget about hammers and the good old manual labor. The Vermeer PD10R is a pile driver that does all the heavy lifting for you. This monster, with hundreds of horsepower, drives piles with such precision that even the most demanding engineers applaud. With it, building fences, foundations, or power lines becomes a breeze. Intrigued? Think of the Vermeer PD10R as your personal robot that never gets tired, never complains, and always does an excellent job. Speed up your mulching process with the L-Series mulching head from Loftness, specially designed for skid steers and compact track loaders, with a hydraulic flow rate of 15 to 35.9 gallons per minute and weighing up to 10,300 pounds. This powerful tool features the Battle Axe rotor and an exclusive 2-stage cutting chamber, together providing excellent mulching. You are guaranteed the finest and most stable particles, making the work not only fast, but also efficient. The System 001 is a true giant among irrigation systems. With its help, you can quickly and efficiently irrigate vast fields, ensuring uniform soil moisture. The long water spraying system covers a wide area in one pass, significantly reducing the time and effort needed to water large areas. This machine will become an indispensable assistant for farmers striving to increase the yield of their lands without unnecessary costs and maintaining the environmental sustainability of their farms. A historic event occurred on May 24, 2023. The American aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford arrived in Norway for the first time in more than 60 years. This visit emphasized the importance of the partnership between the USA and Norway. USS Gerald R. Ford departed Norfolk on May 2nd, carrying out its first global mission through the English Channel and the North Sea. On board this technological giant are 4,500 crew members and 90 aircraft and helicopters. The arrival of the ship in Oslo was a significant event, highlighting the power and capabilities of the modern American fleet. The patented Eagle Punch Cutter 2 is portable and designed to split off-road tires OTR in two halves by cutting through the center of the tread. It can handle various tire sizes, from 39-inch rim size and 37-inch tread width, up to and including 63-inch rim size and 70-inch tread width. A blade is used to punch the tire, while a programmable logic controller, PLC, controls the tire rotation and the punching process, allowing the operator to set up the machine, press the start button, and run it. From a drone's height, the magnificent view of the 2024 sugar beet harvest unfolds. As a specialized machine moves across the vast field, each of its movements is captured in high resolution, providing a unique spectacle of agricultural processes. The drone reveals the mosaic of land and crops, where the rhythm of the harvester's work creates an image of highly efficient modern farming. Remove padding buckets are designed for the demanding tasks of backfilling pipelines and trenches, as well as excavating cables and utility lines in the most challenging environments. These construction tools are extremely durable and eliminate all the extra hassle you don't want when working in a remote location. The bucket frame is designed to last even when you need to move large rocks. There is a separate, powerful direct drive motor for each rotor, and quick and easy maintenance procedures reduce production time. The SB4504 Airport Sweeper is the latest generation of VAMOS equipment that creates a whole new level of efficiency in snow removal. The combination of sweeper, plow, and blower gives maximum productivity even when operating at speeds above 37 miles per hour. The sweeper and blower features a quick-release plow and brush transport position for easy storage at any maintenance facility. The SB4504 Trailed Sweeper is a combination of futuristic design and innovative solutions. The BF120.4 crushing bucket is specially designed for crushing and all recycling operations of aggregates and quarries and dumps. This high-performance and versatile model has been able to win a special place in crushing on large-scale construction sites in the city and beyond in just a few years. This equipment is the ideal accessory for large crushing projects. It is suitable for excavators from 30 to 45 tons and guarantees high crushing performance on large urban and suburban construction sites. The Liber Mobile Bachmann MK140 is a crane that literally changes the horizons on the construction site. This mobile construction crane not only stands out for its power, but also for its amazing flexibility. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 8 tons and a lifting height up to 94.4 meters, the MK140 is ideal for working in the confined spaces of urban environments. But the real trick is its compactness and speed of installation. Who would have thought that such a giant could be incredibly mobile? The appearance of the Komatsu D475A bulldozer on the construction site is always an event. Thanks to Al Marwin machinery, this giant is ready to take on the toughest tasks. Filling embankments or clearing space for a new building? For the D475A, it's a breeze. This powerful bulldozer not only has impressive strength, but also remarkable maneuverability for its size. With the Komatsu D475A, your construction site will become a place where tasks are completed quickly, efficiently, and with maximum precision. Watch the load lifting reach new heights with the XCMG XGC 88000, one of the most powerful crawler cranes in the world. This colossus can lift loads up to 4,000 tons, providing incredible performance on the largest construction projects, including oil platform erection and bridge installation. With a maximum lifting height of up to 712 feet and a working radius of up to 331 feet, the XGC 88000 is the ideal choice for tasks requiring exceptional power and precision. 2 feet wide, allowing it to handle vessels weighing up to 10,000 tons. Drivers value the machine for its stability, mobility, and comfort, making the Cenoboggan 870E the ideal choice to enhance work on both berths. When you need to transport mountains of materials and even standard dump trucks seem like toys, the Balaz 75710 comes to the rescue. This giant dump truck, the largest in the world, boasts a payload capacity of 496 tons and a curb weight of 360 tons. With nearly 13-foot-high wheels and a body over 23 feet long, it comfortably handles any load volume. This is not just a machine, but a whole transportation ecosystem, capable of handling the most complex tasks. In April 2016, the First Spiritualist Church of Springfield, built in 1887, began a new chapter in its history. To make way for the construction of the MGM Springfield Casino, this 3-story brick monument was moved 400 feet. Using 68 steel beams and 20 hydraulic jacks, specialists carefully lifted the building, after which it traveled to a new location on 14 Buckingham carts. This remarkable achievement demonstrates how technology can help preserve our cultural heritage. The A-frame, created by Elphinstone, is a low-maintenance trailer with less dead weight. It has no slots or pull pins, but pole repositioning can be easily adjusted. Elphinstone's unique design allows the vehicle to not only slide, but also pivot, which reduces stress on the A-frame, pole front, and pole hitch. The folding rear mudguards have replaceable nylon bushings, and the hinges, stretchable mudguards, and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making cleanup easier and reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit in any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. Meet the Hexatram. Yes, the same truck that can pull 6 trailers at a time between farms, loading heavy timber. Discover Tree Crusher highlights, where old 16mm film comes to life, presenting Tree Crusher, the masterful work of engineer R.G. Letourneau. Filmed in the 1950s, this footage captures moments of testing one of the first of its kind tree crushing machines, a machine designed to overcome the toughest challenges in logging. It demonstrates the amazing power and foresight of technological innovation. The Overossen UTV 445 UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow has been designed for high performance and economy. The snowplows are ideal for working on the most difficult mountain passes, clearing snowdrifts and widening roads. Thanks to their 2-stage snow removal system, these machines are capable of clearing any type of snow in all weather conditions. The machine has the main advantages of compact and powerful design, high clearing capacity, good spreading performance, economy, and operational flexibility. The snowplow is designed to be used in combination with front loaders, with a total capacity of 20 to 25 tons. Have you heard anything about the new HT912 from Red-Roo? This fully hydraulic, self-propelled, compact trencher is the perfect companion for your irrigation, sprinkler, and electrical system installations. As for the internal equipment, the heart of the unit is the 9-horse Honda OHV engine. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt, and an operator presence monitoring system immediately stops the wheels and chain. Furthermore, importantly, this lightweight model is also available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. This loader is equipped with a 3rd circuit drive with a power of 50 liters per minute and is capable of precise and clean cutting of wood thanks to the bandsaw. Adjustable cutting lengths of up to 19.7 inches and a maximum wood length of 66.9 inches allows you to process even large batches. With an outstanding cutting speed of approximately 90 seconds per bundle, the machine can process approximately 10 bundles per hour. Impressive, isn't it? Loading height reaches 13.1 feet, and the machine weighs 1,653.5 pounds with a width of 92.5 inches. Looking for a machine that can easily handle the challenges of challenging construction sites? The K-Tech 1233 is your choice. This economical scraper is designed for maximum productivity in even the toughest conditions, with a 33 cubic yard payload capacity and unmatched maneuverability. In a world where the need for reliable and efficient resource extraction continues to grow, the P&H 4100 AC drive mining shovels are essential. These massive machines give mining companies the ability to achieve high DD Shipping NV's quaysides, where giant ships are loaded and unloaded every day, have recently added a new helper, the Senebogan 870 Hybrid E. This crawler material handler was chosen for its unique ability to handle heavy loads and bulk materials quickly and easily. Discover the HSU 3000-4000 VI Ultra Air Blast Sprayer, the optimal solution for agricultural spraying. This powerful sprayer ensures precise and uniform liquid distribution thanks to an innovative air blast system that guarantees coverage of large areas without sacrificing efficiency. With a tank volume of up to 1,000 gallons, the HSU 3000-4000 allows you to treat extensive territories with minimal refueling needs, making your work more productive and less labor-intensive. Just as artists wield brushes, Caterpillar D6T bulldozers master the art of creating mud rolls. Watching them at work in the field is a spectacle. With each movement, the D6T blade elegantly rolls the ground into neat piles like a baker rolling dough. This machine is not only powerful and efficient, but also capable of amazing feats in the right hands. On a construction site or in the field, the Caterpillar D6T turns an ordinary task into art. The PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve is a machine that is perfect for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate sizing of bulk materials required in many construction contracts. This model is equipped with a new recirculating rotary conveyor for oversized products. The conveyor is used to return material back to the feeder. The technique is ideal for applications such as natural and crushed aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt. Imagine how quickly and easily you can get the job done with the AMI Attachment Side Dump Bucket. This side dump bucket is a godsend for any construction worker. Its 53 cubic foot capacity and ability to hold up to 2 tons allows it to handle large volumes of materials. And what about its ability to rotate 90 degrees? That means you'll be able to unload exactly where you need it. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the Twin Wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. The ML2280 storage loaders features a 2.6-foot wide deep chute conveyor belt that allows you to achieve throughputs of more than 180 tons per hour. This technique from DeWolf is available in 52, 62, and 72-foot lengths and can be fully customized to meet your individual needs by selecting one of 4 different filling programs: Farmer, Comfort, Dynamic, and Premium. Switching between working and transport modes is a simple matter of pressing a button. Discover the Westech Woodcracker C550 Feller Buncher, a true giant among tree shears that effortlessly handles the task of harvesting trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. In this video, this powerful machine demonstrates its capabilities by ridding an orange field of old windbreak trees that were taking away valuable moisture and blocking out light. But the most impressive part is the biomass from the work, which is recycled into nutritious fertilizer for the new trees, providing the necessary conditions for growth and fruiting. The Woodcracker C550 doesn't just remove obstacles, it takes care of future crops, turning problems into nutrients for new life. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. Sometimes to truly appreciate the power and capabilities of equipment, it's enough to see it in action. In such moments, words become unnecessary, and a glance at the screen truly replaces 1,000 words. The MVF-5 is a multi-purpose, heavy-duty robotic emergency response system. It serves first responders to perform tasks in the harshest, most challenging, and life-threatening environments. The MVF-5's primary mission is to extinguish fires in extreme conditions, in hard-to-reach, high-risk areas, and to clear roadblocks and debris without directly threatening operators. In the field and garden, the ideal tool for tilling the soil is the turf trimmer or sod trimmer. In fact, it is equipment for removing the top layer of soil. If you are an experienced gardener or owner of large areas of agricultural plantings, then turfing should be much better and deeper, and you can achieve this with a variety of machines. You'll see it all on the screens below. Meet the digital innovation in the world of semi-trailers from Technicar Trailers. Technicab. This app doesn't just transform the way trailers are managed, but brings revolutionary changes to their operation. With Technicab, you can activate all the necessary functions of your trailer directly from the driver's cab, ensuring maximum safety and efficiency of work. By integrating with ABS, EBS systems, and numerous sensors, the app provides complete control over the trailer's condition in real time and can detect various operational anomalies. The Berkman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Berkman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle, with floating suspension in the center section. The RTH 13.26 is the most powerful rotating telehandler in the world. It has a maximum lift capacity of 85 feet and can lift loads up to 28,600 pounds. When the machine is only partially stabilized, the overall design provides a better load diagram on each side. And when the stabilizers are fully extended, they allow the machine to operate at full height for more than 360 degrees, allowing it to be held on a much wider stabilizing base. It is compatible with a wide range of accessories thanks to its RFID system, which allows it to automatically recognize attachments and create dynamic load charts. This telehandler is the ideal solution for numerous requirements in the construction and manufacturing sector. Here is the Xylochip Model 200T branch chipper from Robot, which works with a maximum wood size of up to 7.8 inches. Adaptation takes place on a 3-point linkage of a tractor from 75 to 150 horses. There is a shaft with a slip clutch for PTO 1000 RPM. The shredder hopper can be easily folded thanks to the mechanical winch, which makes it quite a compact machine for transportation. The Technique is equipped with a 360-degree rotary blower with an adjustable cover by chain. On the plus side, you can adjust the speed of the feed rollers, which allows you to increase and decrease the chip size. There is a wide feed hopper, XL, with a safety bar on top to prevent untimely release of wood during processing. Want to know the secret to flawless roadsides and neat greenery? It's not magic. It's the Spearhead Twigaflex 890T. With its telescopic boom reaching up to 29 feet and the ability to cut any direction, this wonder trimmer can handle any bushes and trees that dare to stand in its way. And considering it's equipped with a powerful hydraulic drive, the task of transforming your territory becomes no more challenging than a walk in the park. And yes, it doesn't tire or complain about the heat or cold because it has no emotions, only tasks. A Chemrock KDS 50 diamond saw bust cuts the left wing of an old, retired Boeing 707 at Hamburg Airport. The outer end of the wing has already been cut off, and the operator cuts through the thin aluminum wing on the inside of the engine. It's no task to test the powerful attachments mounted on the telescopic handler owned by Thalen Industrial Demolition GmbH, TID. The forks of the telescopic forklift were placed under the jet engine to prevent it from falling after separating from the rest of the aircraft. What can I say? The diamond saw did a great job at its primary task. The Berkman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Berkman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle, with floating suspension in the center section. The Hysoon HY380 mini loader is a versatile, reliable, yet affordable machine. The unloading height allows you to work with small and medium tonnage trucks, and all-wheel drive allows you to move in any conditions. It is equipped with various attachments, which allows you to solve almost any tasks related to construction, private farming, agricultural activities, etc. The mini loader is equipped with high-quality components, which makes it unpretentious and stable in operation. With HY380, you can not only accomplish your tasks, but also enjoy the pleasure of working with an efficient, powerful, and comfortable machine. 50 meters cubed in a single cycle with just one operator. This fully integrated tandem scraper system moves twice as much material with just one 450 horsepower power unit. The Manitowoc 18000 is capable of lifting loads of up to 750 tons, thanks to the Maxer counterweight, which demonstrates an optimal balance of reliability and mobility, and is characterized by a high lifting capacity and rather compact dimensions for a machine of its class. A wide range of maneuvering and stationary jibs, sections, and boom heads allows this machine to solve many tasks in modern construction. Meet the Fendt 1050 Vario, the backbone of the road train that controls a convoy of 10 HW80 trailers at Gut Grambo. This monster on wheels, with a total weight of 118 tons, demonstrates exceptional power and endurance. The Fendt 1050 Vario is not just a tractor. It is a leader that takes on the heaviest loads without losing its efficiency. Watching it work is a pleasure. With such a giant, the most ambitious agricultural projects become a reality. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The Technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity in any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. The NS Series Crawler Scissor Elevator is lightweight and equipped with rubber tracks for smooth, fast, and safe travel in difficult road conditions. The machine runs on standard AC mains power, has zero emissions, and is environmentally friendly. The steel crawler design is particularly strong in adapting to the environment. It can be used in the field even without a power supply. The hydraulic lifting platform utilizes a weighted chassis and does not require supporting legs when working. The equipment can walk even when the platform is raised, which greatly improves work efficiency. The Etnar chip spreader is a true master of road surface laying. This powerful machine evenly distributes gravel or other materials along the road, turning it into an ideal canvas for asphalting. With high performance and precision, the chip spreader can cover wide sections with excellent material distribution quality. Thanks to its reliable construction and ease of operation, this machine is ideal for large road projects and pavement repairs. Take a look at the revolutionary brick-making machine from SNPC Machines India, a fully automated marvel that can produce up to 6,000 bricks per hour. This device not only simplifies the process, requiring only 3 to 4 workers to operate, but is also the world's first mobile machine that can lay bricks while moving. Cool, isn't it? Using raw materials such as clay, mud, or a mixture of both with fly ash, this machine is ideal for Itha Bada, brick factories, and kilns, where high productivity of red bricks is required. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, but it looks no less impressive. The Husky eMotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and zero emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. The Matterhorn Gothard Bond vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people in one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. This video shows Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform ESS trailer, used in a 2x4x8 beam configuration with beams. You can see how well the trailer behaves on the road, and how its features can be used to improve your operation. And it's all thanks to ESS, an electronic steering system that will allow you to steer all axles at the same time. It is designed to provide the optimum axle steering angle, according to the length or width of the trailer. The steering can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle on tight corners or on the ground. Canada's Specialized Search and Rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. How can you clean large tunnels? Very simply with the TWG Model 600K flexible cleaning system. The long boom reach and attachments equipped with modern sensor technology, such as the high-pressure washing boom and tunnel cleaning brush, ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Assembly and disassembly is quick and easy thanks to the container-type twist locks. No additional equipment is required, as the unit has its own support legs. The processes are monitored from the integrated operator's cabin, who is permanently connected to the... When it comes to rail solutions, Hydrema becomes the true star of the show. The company's specialists offer not just equipment, but a true multifunctional solution for railway work. Hydrema models are not only light and maneuverable, but also equipped with features such as hybrid technology and the ability to work in extremely confined conditions. You can be sure that with Hydrema, many rail projects will transform from tedious to exciting, turning every workday into an efficient adventure on wheels and rails. The feed bed of the Moorbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Moorbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.4 with 535 horsepower and a 55-ton operating weight, the Caterpillar model A36K landfill compactor delivers the highest level of reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and efficiency in its class. As a representative of a family of machine that has been performing work on landfills for more than 20 years, this model is equipped with proven technologies. JCB telescopic loaders of Agri-Low-Dal model are characterized by high maneuverability, compact wheelbase, large angles of rotation limitation, which saves time on the farm, especially when working in limited conditions. The engine power of such a machine is 100 horsepower, and the engine displacement is 4.4 liters, with a torque of 320 newton meters. The hydraulic pump capacity is 140 liters, the fuel tank capacity is 146 liters, and its maximum lifting capacity reaches 3.5 tons. With this loader on hand, you'll accomplish any task in no time at all. Bacchus has revolutionized the windrow turning process by offering machines that not only impress with their stylish design, but also provide high efficiency in the treatment of organic waste. As you can see, such an innovative tedder promotes rapid decomposition of material in piles, achieving the aerobic composting process in just 3 weeks. Equipped with advanced homogenization and oxygenation technologies, the machinery creates the conditions for the production of high-quality organic fertilizer that contributes to improving microbial composition and soil health. Thus, Bacchus guarantees not only reliability and economy, but also environmental sustainability in every process. At only 2.4 feet wide and weighing 2.9 tons, it's the perfect machine for working in the tightest and hardest to reach places. Maneuverable and powerful, this spider crane lifts over 2.9 tons with a 28.5-foot telescopic boom to 41 feet of maximum height on the hook. The RPG 2900 is the highest level of performance in its category. With its compact size, track narrowing capability, and lightweight, this model is especially suited for smaller jobs where space is limited. And the main telescopic boom and auxiliary articulated top boom provide maximum maneuverability, even at medium heights. The TV1000 Plus Performance Line Snowplow is a self-propelled, high-speed snowplow designed for airport snow removal and capable of handling all types of snow from 3.2 to 6.5 feet deep. The snowplow is mounted on a purpose-built chassis and features a unique flying cab. This means that the cab is located behind the milling unit in the first position, but can be easily slid forward and on top of the milling unit for optimal visibility while working. The cab is not permanently fixed to the milling machine and is little affected by vibrations of all kind. The model is equipped with 2 diesel engines that provide the power needed to clear up to 8,500 tons of snow per hour. The Volvo FMX can haul up to 200 tons in a single trip, which is truly impressive. And if we say that the truck was designed to handle heavy-duty applications, we're not fooled. It is also equipped with a 12-speed I-shift transmission and 2 additional super low gears. For such an iron monster, picked up the D13 engine, with a capacity of 540 horses, which retains power and at the same time provides the best ratio of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. Meet the true giant among soil compactors, BOMAG. These machines are the gold standard for everyone involved in excavation and mineral waste management. The BOMAG model BC773EB5 compactor will not only improve your job site efficiency, but will also make every process more economical, allowing you to achieve up to a 10% increase in productivity over conventional bulldozers. The operator quickly becomes immersed in the comfort of the intuitive cab, with 5 displays and a multifunction joystick that make operating the machine simple and efficient without extensive training. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. Experience the exceptional versatility and unique features of the Mix & Go concrete mixer attachment. This powerful attachment offers an unrivaled mixing and batching solution. Its ability to scoop, mix, and dispense materials seamlessly makes it an indispensable tool for various applications. The unit is characterized by durability and efficiency. Its unique steel mixing paddle design allows it to mix both dry and wet material more efficiently than conventional concrete bucket augers. Its simple yet effective chain drive system ensures smooth operation throughout the mixing process. A conventional forklift will not be able to easily and safely move long and bulky loads around the yard. Often the operators who accompany these loads will have to be overhead to avoid obstacles. Staff safety would be much lower in such a case, and the risk of damage to goods, items would be greatly increased. The new combo lift concept, on the other hand, is based on a very efficient use of space. Thanks to the company's articulated multi-pass forklifts, as you can see on your screens, you can double the capacity of any warehouse. They excel at transporting the heaviest loads and handle various loading and unloading operations with oversized loads. self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with 4,850 liters drums, equipped with modern force sensors electronic scales, an easy-to-handle and highly accurate system to produce the required mix composition. The CarMix 3500 TC is equipped with a comfortable new cab, able to guarantee safe operation and increase visibility for the operator. In addition, the 3500 TC concrete mixer is equipped with ProMix technology, which allows analyzing the mix composition, slump volume, temperature, humidity, and an indication of the readiness of that very mix. The new Wood King Duo is now even more efficient. The most flexible delimbing saw for left or right-handed installation with basic accessories included. It is possible to attach the unit on both sides, which allows the operator to do his work any way possible. The technique copes perfectly with thin and thick limbs, and the maximum working height is achieved with the help of a telescopic loader. The manufacturer took care of the presence of a protective frame for the technique, which perfectly protects from damage during the operation of the machine. By the way, the boom extends to the side by 47 inches, which allows you to move on the side of the road and cut limbs in the area of the boom. And the side counterweight eliminates the one-sided load of the boom on the vehicle and reduces the danger of the equipment tipping over. The Gibby 1890 Primo Series is an all-Mac, all-electric crawler telescopic boom powered by fully detachable battery packs. With a total weight of 13,000 pounds, it is the lightest, multi-inch self-leveling boom capable of working on heavy, sloping, and slippery terrain. The length and width of the tracks provide excellent traction, as well as significant ground clearance and low ground pressure. Decent track width allows the machine to move comfortably in narrow working spaces. The Gibby 1250 Evo model is the same crawler telescopic hoist that works on the same principle. The only difference is that its performance is slightly lower than that of the 1890 Primo model. CIFA's K67H model, mounted on trucks with a 196.85-inch wheelbase and equipped with a 7-section RRZ boom, introduces an innovation to the Carbotech range. With a boom length of 219.8 feet, this model expands the horizons of truck-mounted concrete pump applications, setting new standards. The uniqueness of the K67H is underscored not only by its scale, but also by the incorporation of advanced technology that provides unmatched efficiency on the job site. When you need to dig a deep and strong foundation pit, the Komatsu PC-1250 is the way to go. This excavator doesn't just dig, it performs miracles. With its powerful engine and teeth that can literally tear through any soil, you can create concrete walls or drainage ditches with precision. When it comes to digging slurry walls, the Komatsu PC-1250 demonstrates its power by overcoming even the hardest grounds with jerks. Look at this beast and forget about difficulties. With the Komatsu PC-1250, everything is possible. If cars had an Olympics, the Converse C10s would definitely take gold in the three-wheeled race. This three-wheeled self-propelled machine is a true athlete among landscape maintenance devices. It goes through narrow passageways and climbs steep slopes like a parkourist. No wonder it can do aerobatics where others only dream of a chance to pass. Ideal for working in hard-to-reach places, whether it's maintaining parks or cleaning water bodies. Meet the powerful, modern Multi-Rex. The Multi-Rex will be a great helper for you on any demolition or partial demolition project. This unit can chew concrete and other strongest materials without any problems. This technique saves you time and money, allowing you to focus on doing more projects and completing them faster with the fewest number of employees at each site. With the Multi-Rex, you can easily remove large slabs, break them into pieces to fit in the dump truck, and get on the next job sooner. The amphibious dredger from CleanTech Infra is a unique machine that is designed for use in open and narrow canals, able to float in water and soft, swampy wetlands where a conventional excavator with tracks or tires would get stuck. It has a 22-foot reach and can endlessly rotate 360 degrees. Stabilizing wheels provide buoyancy when extended and act as stabilizers when under the dredge. The excavator also uses its wheels to load and unload from the trailer and can slide down steep slopes on its own. In front of you is a new machine from the company Luff, which, according to the manufacturer's idea, has its own purpose. The rescue vehicle you see now on your screens is capable of evacuating conspicuous or burning electric cars from narrow parking lots. A remote-controlled vehicle allows emergency vehicles to remove cars from underground parking garages from a safe distance. Depending on the lifting method, vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons can be lifted. The machine's track chassis distributes the forces evenly over the ground. The technologically advanced M500E1000 is a new forestry mulcher for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It is ideal for carriers up to 230 horsepower with hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120 to 260 LPM, 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment makes this model a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see for yourself on your screens how the M500E works, even in the most difficult conditions. With their help, enterprises can manage production processes more efficiently, optimizing both time and production costs. The AC drive further increases energy efficiency and reduces wear, making the P&H 4100 excavators a key element in the mining industry's sustainable development strategy. If you thought you'd seen it all, look at the Grab Dredger Go Show with its gigantic 200 cubic bucket. This monster of dragline technology can absorb volumes that would make any other excavator faint. Want to dismantle entire beaches or lift large amounts of dirt? Go Show will handle it as if it has paddles instead of teeth. Introducing the SLR 150 from Dango and Dynenthal. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. Pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. The VDM is a high-performance CIED route clearance vehicle that combines maximum survivability with excellent off-road performance and a tremendous level of flexibility. The VDM is versatile and can be customized to defend against a wide range of threats and operating environments. The vehicle has a false target package on a push-pull boom trap to activate IEDs in front of the vehicle on 12.8-foot wide tracks. There is also an underbody metal detector to detect buried EIDs on 10-foot wide tracks. The VDM also offers high growth potential to combat rapidly evolving threats in theater. The RanchWorks Tandem Drum Aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using Ranch Tech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil breaking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the Tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. TMC Cancella's forestry mulching solutions are definitely built for the toughest working conditions. This equipment is specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stump residues after felling. It produces a very high degree of mulching, often with sawdust. The technique has been developed with high build quality, using high-strength steel and the latest technology for production. Due to the versatility and efficiency, this company's forest mulchers have become simply indispensable tools in the forestry industry, providing an effective means of land preparation and vegetation control. Maston Brook's unrivaled range includes groundbreaking innovations that deliver efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. Their new 4020 model, for example, was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for installation on drainage slopes with significantly greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards are the main principles the manufacturer followed when creating the Model 4020 drainage plow. By the way, it runs plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches. And it has a Volvo Penta 4th-stage diesel engine, rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. The PA 19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above road, railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. Using robotics and advanced software technology, Gecko Robotics is changing the inspection of industrial assets. They have created intelligent robots that climb the walls of power plants, pipelines, and other critical industrial structures, searching for problems. Gecko's newest robot, Toka 4, provides about 99% coverage. With the intelligent robotic solutions that Gecko Robotics creates, companies can get data and analytics that can predict failures before they happen. Why split firewood the old-fashioned way when you can use the Narva H60 Holcomb and turn the job into a spectacle? This wood splitter not only reduces time and effort, but makes the process spectacular. With powerful hydraulics capable of generating tremendous pressure, the Narva H60 handles logs like a professional wrestler against an opponent. Use it in production or commercial applications, and watch as it effortlessly transforms timber into manageable firewood. Henge sweeping rollers. What can we say here? Whether you're sweeping soil, sand, gravel, or snow, the brush roller will quickly become your favorite tool that you simply can't do without. You can use it to clear areas such as road crossings, walkways, streetcar stops, etc., as well as sweep road sand and gravel, clean grass, foundations, rocks, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. A hydraulic motor provides power and a chain drive that allows you to adjust the brush speed. And the open design of the machinery provides unrivaled and easy access for maintenance. Plus, standard polypropylene brushes can be replaced quickly and easily. Cenobog telehandlers are the ideal machines for demanding applications. The A35G Hybrid and 355E models precisely set new standards for efficient scrap, wood, and port handling, thanks to the Green Hybrid Regeneration System, which is now also available in this machine class. You save up to 30% on fuel. These machines are, in fact, multifunctional tools that can handle both common telehandler tasks and complex material handling operations. Here, for example, in this video, we see these loaders pile sugar beets into a pile and then load them onto barges. Together, they are capable of handling 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, delivering fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions, thanks to Green Hybrid's regenerative technology. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Meet the newest Wolf DW630 dewatering machine. This impressive model features a powerful 630 horsepower CAT C18 engine, allowing it to lay pipes up to 8 inches in diameter to a depth of 19 feet. Tests have shown how the machine performs in real-world conditions, demonstrating its reliability and performance. Now, friends, just check out the field footage of the DW630 to see it in action and appreciate the efficiency and accuracy of pipe laying in dewatering conditions. The Dutchman 30-degree tapered tree shovel, available in models from 330 to 600, model 420 is shown in the video, is ideal for digging up trees with tap roots or in sandy soil. The shovel is almost completely enclosed at the bottom, minimizing soil loss. However, due to the pointed shape, the resulting root clods are less stable and balanced. It is the ideal compact shovel for small to medium-sized loaders. This unit digs from 34 inches to 20 inches. The weight of the inner frame is approximately 1,450 pounds. The technologically advanced M500E 1000 is a new forestry mulcher for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It is ideal for carriers up to 230 horsepower, with hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120 to 260 LPM, 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment makes this model a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see for yourself on your screens how the M500E works. The Kesla 700. The PackMat PK404 is a mobile compacting machine that allows compacting all types of waste into open skips with a capacity of 30 meters cubed and more, as well as moving equipped skips with a maximum weight of up to 10 tons. PackMat PK404 is a roller compactor consisting of a frame made of welded profiles and equipped with a hydraulically driven roller weighing 2.3 tons. This model has 3 wheels, which means that the machine has a small turning radius, so it can work even on the smallest sites. The self-propelled machine provides compaction of all types of waste in open skips with a length of 251 inches and a maximum height of 104 inches, and skip reloading at a suitable site.